Hello and welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, I have another Land Rover. The last 2 weeks I've seemed to become like a Land Rover specialist. Anyway, let's show you the good stuff next door. My brother has been busy. It's a nice little green Beetle he's got in for an MOT, but this is the real stuff. Last video he had the engine on the trolley ready to fit. It's in and running now. So the warranty's been activated. As you can see, he's wired it basically so he could run it. Tomorrow, my mate Rod's coming in. He's really good at electrics, so he's going to redo all the wires, solder everything, heat wrap all the wires, all these wires, and just sort of tidy it up, ready to finish it really, and then we can get the balance. The last little bits, Luke's got to tidy some of the leads up and stuff. He's got all the full flow system in it. That's all working. As you can see that back there, there's a wheel bolt stuck in that pipe. That's for the servo brakes. So Luke's got probably a few more hours work of tidying and moving stuff around. But at least it's running. In the van, running, fueled up, ready to rock. So then we'll be back to me. When we put it on the ground, we realise the back is lower than the front. That is why we've not touched nothing on the suspension. We've done a basic setup, but when I've got the alloys and the proper tyres it's going to have when it's finished, we'll let it down the ground, see how it sits, see if it sits okay. If not, we can rectify that, up or down. It's got adjusters I've welded into the front. And I don't know if you can see it on the back. No, you just can't quite see it. It's got adjustable spring plates on the back. So we're talking probably about half an inch of adjustment on the back maybe. The front seems to sit quite good, quite well. But when you put the 15s on with the lower profile tyres, it may be too low. But we shall show you that in another video when we get them on, because with the alloys on it, it's going to look pretty sick. And obviously it's got no shocks on the back. I think there might be shocks in the front, I can't remember. So if not, we'll get all the shocks on it. The back bumper's painted, it's inside. I've dry fitted that before it was painted, so we know that's going to fit. The owner said the registration papers are coming through. So wow, it's really cracking on and coming together. Side cover's still off, as you can see up here. The side cover's inside. I've got to pull the door, touch and maybe paint the sill area again. Pretty sure the guy who painted this originally set the slider on, but it's a bit low, so I had to space it with washers. There's these factory little washers you put in between the hinge and the bracket, and he'd left them out. So it touched the inner sill, so I'll repaint that, get the door sill on, and then I'll be able to put the cover on, and that is all the outer panels on the vehicle. So yes, it's looking good. Thanks for all the subscribers. We're so close to 4,000. Had a lot of likes on the last video. You guys seem to really like the Beetle and the patina splits and this build have been very popular. Leave any comments of any other things that you might want to see. Do you want to see my brother's more engine work when it's being done? More how-tos? Leave a comment on the video. Thanks for watching. See you for the next video.